Okay, my dear students, after some days gap, we are going to continue the exercise 3.1. Already I have told the exercise 3.1 first problem. So let us continue from the second one. See, I will not write the question on the board because the space is very little. I have to finish the problem in this particular area. So I will read the problem. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900 rupees. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Say, this one is the problem related to linear equations. We have to convert the verbal statement into mathematical one. So, let x be the question number 2. Let x be the cost of bats. Cost of bats. Then y be the cost of balls. Okay? According to the statement 1, what that statement? See, 3 bats and 6 balls for 300. 3 bats and 6 balls cost 3,900. Okay, this one is the verbal statement. Now, according to the mathematical statement, we have considered x as a bats. So 3x plus 6y equals to 3,900. Now let us simplify. 3 in the bracket x plus 2y equals to 3,900. X plus 2y equals to 3,900 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Okay. X plus 2y equals to 1,300. 1. According to statement 2. Statement 2. What it reads? Later is she buys another bat. 1 bat and 3 balls equals to 1,300. Okay, x plus 3y equals to 1,300. X plus 3y equals to 1,300. This one is the second equation. Okay. So far we have represented the situation algebraically. The problem has converted into, the statement has converted into the algebraical way. That is, the first statement what they have given will be x plus 2y equals to 1,300. Then 1 bat and 3 balls 1,300. That is x plus 3y equals to 1,300. These are the representation. These are the representation algebraically. Representations algebraically. Then what we have to do? We have to prepare these equations graphically. That means let us consider first one, graphical. x plus y equals to 1300. Okay, x equals to 1300 minus y. Okay. X. Let us take y as 200. If x equals to 200, what happens? If y equals to 200, what happens? X equals to 1300 minus 2 into 200. That is 1300 minus 2 to the 400. How much we got? That 900. Then suppose if y equals to 300, then x equals to 1300 minus 2 into 300, that is 1300 minus 600, that is equals to 700. When x equals to 300. When y equals to x equal to 300, when y equals to 400, then x equals to 1300 minus 2 into 400, that is 1300 minus 800, which is equals to 500. Yes. From this tabulation, we have to represent the statement graphically. Okay, what we have to do? We have to consider a graph x o x axis, then y o y axis. Then let us take 100, 200, 300, 400 like this. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this. So after noting the values of x and y, we have to represent the values on the graph. Then x is equal to 2, y equals to 100, x is equal to 900. Then x is equal to 700. So we have to plot a graph by considering these equations. Okay? Now write down. See, now I am going to represent graphically this equation. What I did, I tabulated first, that is x and y. Instead of x and y, I have considered y and x because I have modified the equation in the x format. So I have to consider y. So I have to consider y. So y equals to 200, 300, 400, x equals to 900, 700, 500. What I did in the graph is that x-axis I considered 200 units equals to 1 centimeter. Then y-axis I considered as 100 unit equals to 1 centimeter. So I have drawn the graph like this. So x o x slash, then y o y slash. Now I am going to represent the values in the graph. Okay, x is equal to 900, y equals to 200. X is equal to 900 here. Then y equals to 200. That means that will be like this. See. x equals to 900, y equals to 200. Then x equals to 300, x equal to 700, then y equals to 300, x equals to 700, 600 plus 7, y equals to 300. Then x is equal to 500, then 400, x equals to 500, then 400. Like this, we will get a straight line. That is 5 over 500 and 400. Then here 700 and 300. Here 900 and what is that one? X 800 and 900 then 200. See, this is the representation of that graphical representation. This is the graphical representation of this tabulation. That one equation 1 tabulation. Okay. Now let us move to the second equation. X plus 3y equals to 1300. Yes, equation 2, x plus 3y equals to 1300. Let us convert it. 1300 minus 3y. Okay. Let us take y equals to 600. If y equals to 600, 1300 minus 400. 3 into 400. Okay. 1300 minus 1200, that is equals to 100. X equal to 100. Then y equals to 200. Then x equals to 1300 minus 3 into 200. That is 1300 minus 600. That is 700. X equals to 700. Then y equals x equal to 700, y equals to 200. Then y equals to, that is y equals to 600. Then 550, yes, y equals to 500. Y equals to 1300 minus 3 to 500. That is 1300 minus 1500. That is equals to minus 200. Minus 200. This much is sufficient, or 3 values are sufficient for graphical representation. Okay. Now let us set the tabulation into graphical representation. X equals to 100. Yes, x equals to 100. Here x equals to 100. Y equals to 400. Y equals to 400. then x equals to 700, y equals to 200, y equals to 200 here. Then x equals to minus 200, y equals to 500. X is equal to 200, y equals to x equals to minus 200, y equals to 500. Here we got. Okay, like this, minus 200 and 500, then 200, 400, like this we will get the graph. Here 700, 200. See, this is the graphical representation of this equation, that is x plus dy equals to 1300. Okay, now the question number 3. I will read the problem. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. Okay, as a method, let us take cost of apples dx, cost of grapes dy, that is per kg. Cost of apples dx kg and cost of grapes dy per kg. Then 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. That means 2 kg. Statement 1. 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes equals to 160 rupees. That means 2 kg x plus 1 kg y equals to 160. 2x plus y equals to 160. Therefore, y is equal to first method, algebraical represent 2x plus y equals to 160. Then statement 2. After month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes equals to 300. That is 4x plus 2y equals to 300. That is 2 in the bracket. 2x plus y equals to 300. 2x plus y equals to 300 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 150s are. 2x plus y equals to 150. Equation 2. Equation 1. See carefully. What I have done? Just I have read the problem clearly and I assumed that the cost of 1 kg of apple be x, then the cost of 1 kg of grapes be y. In the statement 1, 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes cost 160. That means 2 kg, 2 into x, then 1 kg, 1 into y, that is 2x plus y equals to 160. That is, the first statement will be converted into what has been converted into the algebraical statement, that is mathematical statement, that is 2x plus y equals to 160. In the second statement, he moves on that cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is 300. That means 4 kg, 4 into x, that is 4x. Then 2 kg, 2 into y, 2y, that is equals to 300. Just we simplified on the basis of the basic principles of mathematics. We got that 2x plus y equals to 150. This one is the, both 1 and 2 are the algebraic representations of the problems. That is mathematical statement. 2x plus y is equal to 160, 2x plus y is equal to 150. Okay? Then if the equation, both the equations are same, then that should be coincide. Later on we will learn. Let us represent one by one in the graphical representation. Okay? Consider equation 1, 2x plus y equals to 160. Y equals to 160 minus 2x. Y is equal to 160 minus 2x. Therefore, x, y. X equals to 40, then y equals to 160 minus 2 into 40, that is 160 minus 80, that is equal to 80. Then x equals to 50, y equal to 160 minus 2 into 50, that is 160 minus 100, that is equal to 60. Then x equals to 60, then y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 60, that is 160 minus 120, which is equal to 40. Then x equals to 70, y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 70, that is 160 minus 140, that is equal to 20. This is the tabulation for equation 1. 2x plus y is equal to 60. Write down. Now the second equation, that is 2x plus y equals to 2x plus y equals to 150. Therefore y equals to 150 minus 2x. Okay, then tabulation. X, y. Okay, x equals to 40, y equals to 150 minus 2 into 40, that is 150 minus 80, that is 70. Then x equals to 60, y is equal to 150 minus 2 into 60, that is 150 minus 120, that is equals to 30. Then x equals to 17, y is equal to 150 minus 2 into 70, 150 minus 140, that is equals to 10. This is the equation second tabulation. Considering the tabulations what we have prepared, we have to set the graph. Graphically we will get the answer. For example, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then 70. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, that's 100. Okay, x equals to 40, y equals to 80, x equals to y equals to 80, here we get. Then x is equal to 50, y equals to 60, x equals to 50, y equals to 60, we get here. X equals to 60, y equals to 40, x equals to 60, y equals to 40. Then x is equal to 70, y equals to 20. That is the equation like this. Then x is equal to 40, y equals to 70. X equals to 40, y equals to 70. Then x is equal to 60, y equals to 30, x is equal to 60, y equals to 30. Then x equals to 70, y equals to 10. Like this, we have the graphical representation. Okay. See, prepare these questions in the graph itself. Nowhere you have to draw. Compulsory use the graph sheets, and those graph sheets must be attached to the fair note page. Fair note page by stapling it. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow we will continue next exercise. This exercise completed.